As many of you know, Integra's story began with Travel Supreme, a renowned luxury coach builder. That brand later became the Jayco insignia in 2009 and 2010. Then, in 2011, Motorhome Specialists and I introduced Integra to the world, helping grow it to the incredible brand we all know and love today.
Since then, Motorhome Specialists has retailed more Integra diesel coaches than any other single dealer in the country. When you combine that with the sales from Blue Compass RV locations, together we've retailed half of every Class A Integra diesel coaches ever sold. We are Class A diesel experts.
Because of our expertise and our shared love for the product, Motorhome Specialist and Blue Compass RV partnered with Integra Diesel. Right now, all retail orders are going exclusively through us. No other dealer has this ability.
Recently, there was some misinformation put out there that retail orders for Class A Integra diesels were over. That's not true. We have limited Spartan and Freightliner chassis availability, but they're only available through Motorhome Specialist and Blue Compass RV dealerships that carry Integra.
We encourage you to visit us online at mhsrv.com and bluecompassrv.com for availability and pricing. We will also be at the Hershey RV Show in the Integra display, the last year that Integra Diesel will be on display at Hershey.
Once the remaining 2026 Integra coaches are sold, we will turn the page to what comes next.
From the very beginning, our team at Tiffin has leveraged our partnership with Motorhome Specialists and select Blue Compass stores to design and launch the all-new Cornerstone. We've kept them closely involved in product development, naming, and product design.
Even just the fact that we are joined today by an industry legend in Donnie O'Banion, who is helping shape the product down to every detail and was not only instrumental in the launch of the original Integra, but also has been wildly successful in crafting another exceptional luxury diesel brand in 4Travel Motor Coach. Things like this speak to the partnership that we have with Tiffin and the product that together we are going to bring to you with the new Cornerstone.
We are confident that the relationship between Tiffin Cornerstone and the MHSRV Blue Compass RV family of stores will set the standard in the industry. MHSRV and Blue Compass RV have dominated the Class A diesel market for the last several years, all while many other dealers are abandoning ship from the Class A diesel market altogether. We also want to draw distinct attention to the fact that our relationship with Tiffin on this new Cornerstone product will be different than some other dealers, in that we won't be like those other non-stocking retail order only dealers. We are going to be a great dealer partner who has plenty of in-stock options for our customers and who operates from coast to coast.
This is truly the best of both worlds. Tiffin's legendary customer service merged with the quietest riding, best handling coach on the market in Integra. And yes, we can confidently say that will continue because the new Cornerstone product by Tiffin will have similar build characteristics like hung wall fiberglass and the industry-leading 2-year warranty.
I'd like you to think about the future of Cornerstone this way. Who today produces the two most popular ultra-luxury SUVs on the market? I think we can all say that we think of Cadillac and their Escalade product. We also probably think of some of the incredible ultra-luxury SUVs that Mercedes produces. Now imagine if Mercedes and Cadillac got married and started producing wonderful products together. We would be rushing to buy their new product. That's exactly what's happening here.
This is an evolution to produce the most well-equipped, quality, yet affordable luxury coach on the market by the two most popular Class A diesel OEMs that have ever existed. This is your chance to own a piece of legacy and the first look at the future. Visit us online or meet us at Hershey, and let's make history together. Because legends like this don't wait, and neither should you.